Hey guys, what's up? Okay guys, so now I'm gonna teach you how to put some ringtones on your messenger. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do, you will go to the messenger and then go to your personal camera and etc. So and then go to notifications and sound and then go to free call ringtone, and then from there um you can just find what you want, like this, and then you can choose anything you want. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, and there you have it, guys. You can just now go to whatever you want.